Looking for the best stand mixer for your kitchen? While the KitchenAid Artisan Series is a top choice, we've rounded up the top 5 alternatives that could be an even better fit for you. Stick around to find your perfect match, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to explore and shop. 1. Cuisinart SM-50. Power without the price tag. Want KitchenAid-like performance without the hefty price? Check out the Cuisinart SM-50. For $200 to $250, you get a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl for large batches, a 500-watt motor to power through tough doughs, and 12 speed settings with multiple color options. Why it's great, affordable, powerful, and includes essential attachments. The catch: it's noisier and less robust than KitchenAid. Click the link in the description below to see more about the Cuisinart SM-50. 2. Bosch Universal Plus, the heavy-duty performer. If you're serious about baking, the Bosch Universal Plus is for you. At $400 to $500, here's what it offers: a 6.5-quart bowl and an 800-watt motor for heavy-duty tasks, and a unique bottom drive design that's efficient and compact. Why bakers love it? Durable, powerful, and versatile. Heads up, its design takes getting used to, and it's pricier. Need professional-grade performance? Click the link in the description below to explore the Bosch Universal Plus. Number 3. The Hamilton Beach Electric Mixer. Budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. Starting at just $130, the Hamilton Beach Mixer is perfect for beginners or anyone on a budget. Key features include a 4-quart bowl and a 300-watt motor for smaller batches, simple controls for effortless operation. What's great? Affordable, lightweight, and compact. What's not? Struggles with heavy doughs and lacks advanced features. Looking for an affordable option? Click the link in the description below to learn more. Number 4. The Breville Scraper Mixer Pro Sleek and Smart. For $350 to $400, the Breville Scraper Mixer Pro brings innovation to your kitchen. A 5-quart glass bowl and a 550-watt motor for consistent results. A built-in timer and LED display for precision. What makes it stand out? Smart features and sleek design. The downside: the glass bowl is fragile and accessories are harder to find. Love advanced features? Click the link in the description below to discover the Breville Scraper Mixer Pro. Number 5. The Ankarsrum Original, the ultimate stand mixer. For those who demand the best, the Ankarsrum Original is a true powerhouse. Priced between $700 and $800, here's why it's worth it. A 7.4-quart stainless steel bowl for massive batches. A 600-watt motor and rotating bowl designed for versatility. Why it's elite all-metal construction, durability, and attachments for every job. What to know? It's pricey and takes some adjustment to use. Ready for the ultimate stand mixer? Click the link in the description below to explore the Ankarsrum Original. So which mixer is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to check prices and find the perfect stand mixer for your kitchen.